Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can apply for the Bank of America's credit card. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So without any further delay, let us get started. First thing, you need to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser that is convenient for you. And once you open up your web browser, on the search box you need to type in the link that is www.bankofamerica.com/smallbusiness/credit-card/ and I'll also make sure to leave the link on my description box below. And as you type in the link, you'll be directed to the official page. Right on this page you'll have a multiple category of the card. In case if you want to view all of the card, or in case if you are applying for some other card, then you can just simply tap on view all card, which is right at the bottom, and then right at the bottom you'll be able to see all the card that is available on Bank of America. All you need to do is do the same procedure, that is simply tap on apply now in order to apply for it. So next interface, you need to make sure to go through all of these following statements, and after you've gone through it, slightly scroll down, and after that you need to provide all of your information. That includes personal information, contact information, and then your financial information. So make sure to go through it and make sure that you have provided the correct information. And after you're done providing all of these information, and there is a terms and condition as well, so then you have to go through all of these and then agree to all of the following terms and conditions. And once you've done that, you scroll down right to the bottom and then tap on continue in the bottom left corner. And after that you also need to provide your login information in order to confirm your identification. So after you're done submitting it, you'll be receiving an email saying that the request for the credit card has been submitted, and within 5 to 10 days you'll be receiving your credit card. And after you receive your credit card, you also need to activate it. So that is how you can apply for the Bank of America's credit card. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.